Welcome back to another episode of Drug Talk, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 3 things that you should know if you're considering using Clomiphene to restore your testosterone levels. Now, before we get into the content, as always, I'd like to share something that's been a complete game changer for the Drug Talk community, and that is Mochi Health. If you're looking for a more personalized, health-backed approach to reach your health goals, this is it. Mochi connects you with board-certified physicians and/or registered dietitians who actually listen. And the best part, it's all virtual. No awkward waiting rooms, just expert care delivered right to your door. Mochi Health is well known for their weight management programs. However, they've recently moved into other categories such as skin and hair care, anti-aging, and now even testosterone treatments. So support the channel Drug Talk and your own health journey by clicking the link in the description of this video. Don't wait, click now. So Clomiphene, or brand name Clovid, has recently become a popular alternative as an off-label prescription to TRT, or testosterone replacement therapy, for individuals experiencing secondary hypogonadism. While exogenous testosterone replaces what your body's not making in terms of testosterone levels, Clomiphene works upstream to help your body produce more testosterone. If you're considering using this medication, there are 3 things you should know, and I'm going to go over those right now. Number 1, it works by tricking the pituitary gland. Clomiphene is classified as a selective estrogen receptor modulator, or a SERM. In men, the brain monitors estrogen levels via a negative feedback loop to determine if there's enough testosterone. This is because a portion of the testosterone in your body is naturally converted to estrogen via an aromatase enzyme. So the mechanism is really that Clomiphene blocks estrogen receptors in the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. Because the brain can no longer see the estrogen in the body, it assumes that the total sex hormone levels are low. And then, with the pituitary gland releasing luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone, it triggers the testes to produce or ramp up production of testosterone. Number 2, it preserves fertility and testicular size. One of the major downsides of TRT, or testosterone replacement therapy, is the testicular atrophy, or shrinkage of the testicles. And this is really because production in the testes of testosterone is shut down because we're replacing the testosterone in our body with exogenous testosterone. So it's not getting the signal to ramp up production. And again, this is because the brain is shutting down from the pituitary gland to release that luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Because Clomiphene stimulates LH and FSH rather than suppress them, we can maintain intratesticular testosterone levels. So all of this really makes Clomiphene a primary option for young individuals especially who want to increase their testosterone levels, however maintain fertility and testicular volume. And number 3, lab numbers and symptom relief don't always match. Without making this too complicated, really there's 2 components of Clomiphene when it's broken down in the body, and one of them can accumulate in the body and overrepresent the level of testosterone. You can sometimes see lab values double or triple of the testosterone, but the individual still feels symptoms of fatigue and other low testosterone symptoms. Some other things the individual may experience would be something like low libido or shifts in their mood often. Now, there are some lab tests that can be done to see if this is happening in your body, such as tracking estradiol levels. However, it's just really important to keep in mind with this medication that it's really about tracking the symptoms of low testosterone that you're trying to improve upon, rather than just looking at the lab values. All right, everybody, that's all we're going to talk about today with Clomiphene. Just 3 things you should know if you're considering using this medication to increase testosterone levels. As always, check out the link in the description to join Mochi Health to support both Mochi and Drug Talk, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.